Summer's right around the corner, and what are we all going to need? A fan. And that's what we're going to be looking at today. This is the Letour Rechargeable Portable Desk Fan. It comes in 3 different colours, such as white, yellow and green. As you can see here, I have the green one. Before we start, as always, this will be in the description box down below if you want to pick it up. So this is everything what comes inside the box. We have instructions for use. There's some specs on it there. We have a USB-A to Type-C charging wire here. And of course, we have the fan itself. Let's take a look around the fan itself. So on the bottom base here, we have 2 mobile phone stents. So if you wanted to watch your phone as well as use the fan, you could rest your phone upon there and use the fan at the same time. Here we have the power button with your light indicators. On the side here we have the Type-C input port. We have the fan's extendable arm here, which can go from 30 centimeters to 36 centimeters depending on however you want it. And we have its angle adjuster here, so it can go all the way down to 180 degrees up to, if you wanted it a bit at an angle, or fully stood up. Another feature I wanted to point out is how to clean the blades. So we can remove actually this front panel. Now if you push it down and we just pull it out here, as you can see, it gives us easy access to the 3 blades, and that is how we would clean them. And to put it back on, pretty simple. You just put it back in, make sure it's in on all sides, and then just flick it back up, and there you go, it's back on. This fan has 3 different types of speeds. So we have a sleeping wind, which if you was to press the fan on, the first one would be sleeping wind, which is as quiet as 40 decibels, which for me personally is great as it won't disturb me whilst I'm asleep. Next we have natural wind, which it picks up the speed and produces a bit more airflow. And lastly we have strong wind, which of course is the fastest it can be and produces quite a lot of airflow. The fan takes around 3 to 4 hours to fully charge using the Type-C cable included with the fan, allowing you to have 5 to 8 hours of wireless runtime. This is excellent for those who like to go on outdoor activities such as picnics, or just want to go as a general day out and need that extra bit of air to cool them down. There we go, my friends. That was the Letour folding rechargeable storage fan. In my opinion, I really like this fan as I can take it anywhere with me, and for a portable fan it does produce quite a lot of power. If this video did help anybody, a like would be much appreciated, and subscribe for more reviews. As always, link in the description box down below if you do want to grab this. Thank you for watching, see you in the next one.